Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Crypto.com. First, download the Crypto.com app from your device's App Store. Make sure your mobile device meets the necessary operating system requirements for optimal performance. Before you begin, have a valid email address and phone number readily available. This will streamline the initial registration process and help you get started quickly. Next, register your account using your email and create a strong, unique password to protect your information. You will then need to verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Finally, complete the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process by providing a valid government-issued identification. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Now it's time to fund your wallet. You can easily link a bank account or debit card to make fiat deposits, converting your local currency into crypto. Alternatively, if you already own digital assets, you can transfer cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet. Be sure to review the various deposit methods and any associated fees to choose the best option for you. To keep your account secure, always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, immediately after setup. Once funded, take time to explore the app's many features, such as buying, selling, and staking various cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with transaction limits and withdrawal policies, which are clearly outlined within the application. Enjoy your Crypto.com experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.